Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make jasmine tea, easy method. Start by measuring 2 teaspoons of green tea leaves per 8 Oz cup and add a small handful of jasmine blossoms. Heat water to about 175 degrees F and pour over the leaves and blooms. Let the tea steep for 2 to 3 minutes, then strain into your cup. Taste and adjust steep time or leaf amount for your perfect floral balance. Begin by preheating your teapot or cup to keep the water temperature steady while brewing. Add the green tea leaves and jasmine blossoms into an infuser or directly into the pot, depending on your preference. Pour water at about 175 degrees F over the leaves, cover the vessel, and set a timer for 2 to 3 minutes to capture a gentle floral taste. Strain or remove the infuser, inhale the aroma, and sip slowly to enjoy the delicate balance. If your jasmine tea tastes too strong, try reducing steep time by 30 seconds or lowering the water temperature by a few degrees. For a lighter, more fragrant cup, use slightly cooler water and shorter brewing time to preserve delicate aroma. You can re-steep the same leaves once or twice to extract subtler flavors without waste. Always taste between adjustments so you can find the sweet spot that suits your palate and mood.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.